Welcome back, and it's now time for the business review. Here's TVJ's Dashan Hendricks.
NCB Financial Group recording its best 6 months performance ever, reporting an $11 billion profit in the period October 2017 to March 2018.
We continue to set new records in our performance generally and our financial results more specifically.
And I proudly state that we are the first company on the Jamaica Stock Exchange to surpass $10 billion in net earnings after just 6 months of their financial year.
It means that the NCB Financial Group is the most profitable entity on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, and while the company is known more for its retail banking arm, it's the wealth management business, NCB Capital Markets, which is contributing the heaviest to the group's performance.
Our wealth management segment is now the main contributor to our operating profits. The wealth management segment achieved operating profits of $4 billion, an increase of 50% or $1.3 billion, primarily from investment activities during the quarter. Treasury and correspondent banking, who have historically held the #1 spot, are now second, despite increasing by 10% year over year.
But the focus is not on one segment. CEO of the NCB Financial Group, Patrick Hilton, says the entity maintains a focus on 3 strategic initiatives to drive its future growth.
1, building a world-class digital experience. 2, reinventing our core. And 3, facilitating regional expansion.
So far this financial year, regional expansion has seen NCB taking control of Bermuda-based financial entity, the Clarion Group. A similar move to take controlling interest in Trinidad and Tobago-based insurer Guardian Holdings hit a snag.
We have stalled somewhat in the acquisition in relation to GHL, given the process in which we are engaged, but we continue to monitor the environment, we continue to look around, and we continue to see where there may be value accretive opportunities that we can execute on.
Yeah. Mr. Hilton says it includes looking for opportunities even in the most unlikely places. And despite its wealth management arm outperforming, the financial group still looks to its retail banking business.
There are still opportunities to grow the traditional business in the retail side, on the corporate banking side. So of course, we're going to be challenged in the corporate banking side in terms of the scale and the pace of that growth. But at the end of the day, there are people who are reinvesting, who are retooling, and who are very bullish about the new economic environment. So we expect to be able to participate in that process as a major financial institution.
That's the Business Review. I am Dashan Hendricks. Good evening.